another video by SunsetTilly. Today we'll be unboxing the mini backpack set. And if you're wondering, yes, this is my real voice. Let's see what this backpack's got. It's got a cute little notebook, very cute. A pencil, or I like to call it a pen. A rubber, really cute, and some stickers. And obviously, a keychain. And this huge backpack, which is really little. And it's one of my favourite colours. Pink, if you didn't guess. Let's open it! Like I said last time, it's time to open it. It may take a while. Wow. That was really quick. And easy. So I got that. The pen stuck because it's got sellotape on it. Oh, I think I got the stickers and the... No, it's all full sellotape. I think I'm going to pause for a minute and so I can get some scissors so I can cut this. Now I got my scissors now. I'm going to cut off the background and maybe use it in a future video. Ask my parents not to throw it away. Let's trim it down. There we go. So it's just a little bit thick. I might trim it down when I'm not filming. So now, time for the pen. Okay, oh. Might need to take. This is gonna be hard. There we go. Oh. Tape on me. Nah. Got the pen.
And this is it.
I need the scissors. If you heard a little word that I didn't say, sorry, that was my mummy. She's filming it for me, so next time I'm gonna let her film, but tell her to be quiet. Oops. But don't worry, I can keep that sellotape at the back. Cute notebook. What's inside? Nothing, as I suspected. Is this like for a little school play? And one day in my future videos, maybe when I can show my face. I definitely need my scissors. I can use this bag. If I still have it in the future, at least. Some cute stickers maybe to add to the bag. Okay, rubber time. Gotta be very careful with this. I could damage the rubber. Look how cute that is. Just touched it. It's really soft. Have a little touch. Isn't it so soft? Now, finally, the bag. It's stuck between, I can take that out, but I need to take this sellotape off. Aha! Got the bag. Now let's get this little thing out. Bye-bye! All the rubbish away. Now time to get the scissors away. Now time to clip things off if I can, or maybe I'll do that later. Cute little bag. Let's check if it works. Oh, it does. Let's go cute little bag. Let's put everything in it. Notebook, a pen, stickers, and a keychain. It fits well in this bag. If you want what I just did, please like and subscribe.